Okay, so we're gonna do a how do I play this song? Oh, we got a bump. I guess I'm gonna do Gold Dust Woman and then I'll do Totolino's song, since I'm already here. So first of all, Gold Dust Woman, it's like this suspended A chord is how I play it. So instead of hitting all three strings, I take off the B string and I just play these two strings. Sounds a little different. Oh, you like Conan? I love Conan. Have you guys seen the new murder mystery show on Netflix? He was a guest star on it with Will Arnett. It was great. I just watched it last night. It was a hoot. All right, so we've got a suspended A chord. I believe this is the original key, or close. And then we go to a F, which I play my Fs like this. I borrow the bottom two strings and then I play these two notes here. So we've got some A's. With the extra note gone. Then the verse is just regular A, rock on gold dust woman, D, G, take your silver spoon, D, dig your grave, and then back to the A. So you do that, same for the second half, and then when you get to the end of the verse, it's lousy lovers pick their prey G, but they never cry out loud. And you go back to the weird A, F, cry out, and then you build into it. The chorus chords are F, did she make you cry? D, make you break down. G and A. So it's F, D, G, A in the chorus. You can do that twice. And then when I get to pick up the pieces and go home, sometimes I like to wait to hit the A chord, which is the last chord. So I'll go like, pick up the pieces and go home. And kind of hit it a little late. It just kind of like gives your vocal a little bit of room. And then back to the chorus again, or the pre-verse, I mean. It's kind of like the intro. So, and then you just repeat that to the second verse, the second chorus. And then at the end of you repeat the chorus twice at the end of the song. And the second chord, so the second chord it's A and then F. Now, a lot of people play their F like this. But I hate bar chords, so I just play the bottom half of it and I mute this top string. So it's just like the bottom four strings I've got covered here. And then at the very end, tell me, is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go home? It repeats, go home, the same chords from the beginning. Go home. And then you kind of just improv your lyrics that you want to do at the end. It's all the same A and F all the way to the end. Gold dust woman ends on the A. So, all right, you want to play along if you want. I like to sometimes rake the strings when I start a song like this, so I kind of just start from the bottom and go up. and it just kind of sounds kind of cool. So I do that. Sit on this chord for a minute. See why this is my guitar's favorite song? Doesn't that sound great? Not to brag, but she sounds good on this. Yes, and I will post this in my VODs. Rock on, gold dust woman, take your silver spoon and dig your grave. Heartless challenge, pick your path and I'll pray. I guess I do play this A most of the time. Wake up in the morning, see your sunrise, loves to go down. Lousy lovers pick their prey, but they never cry out loud. Cry out. Well, did she make you cry, make you break down, shatter your illusions of love? And is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go home? Rock on, ancient queen, follow those who pale in your shadow. Rulers make bad lovers, you better put your kingdom up for sale, up for sale. She make you cry, make you break down, shatter your illusions of love. And is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go home? Well, did she make you cry, make you break down, shatter your illusions of love? And now tell me, is it over now? Do you know how to pick up the pieces and go home? Shadow of a woman, black widow. Ooh, pale shadow of a woman, black widow. Ooh, pale shadow of a woman, black widow. Gold dust woman. Thanks Ballsy and Dauntless and Murat Khan for the follows, and thanks Anthony Castillo for asking for that demonstration.